In this video, I'm going to show to you how you can make children workbook activities just with your Canva using your smartphone. Therefore, by making this, you can make your money by selling it on Amazon or probably on Etsy. Or if you want to sell it to schools, you are good to go. Therefore, let's go to the screen of my phone. This is the home page of the Canva app on my phone. Therefore, to actualize this is what you're going to do. Click on this very particular plus sign where we're having in a purple circle at the bottom. Click on it. Then you click on custom size. Then this very particular picture, the measurement, change it to inches. Let it be in inches. Then you come here, the width 8.5. Then our height will be 11. Then you click on create new design. This is the A4 size paper on the blank page. Therefore, in this very particular tutorial, I'm going to make use of the inbuilt Canva template for this very particular work. Therefore, all I need to do, I will need to click on this design at the bottom here. Then you come to the search template. Then this is it. I've already searched for it previously. Then you search for match activities for kids. This is it. You can select the free one, it depends on you. But I want to make use of this very particular one. I want to make use of this. Let's count and color. I click on it. This is it. Now, number 1 to 10, black illustrative activities and coloring book printable. Then I click on apply all 11 pages. Then on this very particular area, I need to ship in this. If you are selling this very particular workbook on Etsy or probably on Amazon, or probably you want to sell it to some schools, try to customize it and make sure that it looks like your brand. Therefore, all you need to do, let's change this. This is the front cover of the book. It's time to, let me change it to, it's time to count and color. It's time to count and color. This and I want to change it to initial capital A. I want it to be okay. Look at it. This is the way I want it. Okay, this is it. It's time to count and color. Now we need to change the font of these very particular letters. Okay, let me change it to League Spartan. Okay, let me change this count as well. League Spartan. I change the and League Spartan, the color League Spartan. This is it. Now I'm okay with it. Now another thing I will need to do, this very particular picture, I want it to be removed from here. Then I go to element. From my element, I type in kids playing. Let me search for it. Now this is it. Then I click on graphics. This is it. Let me see to what I can choose. I want something that relates with maths. Okay, let me choose this. Let me click on this. Then the one that we're having there initially, let me delete this. I delete the former one. Then I bring this here. Then let me, reduce it a little bit. Then let me go back there to choose another one. Let me see to what I can choose. Again, let me choose this. I want this as well. Okay. I don't want it to exceed the margin. Okay. This is it here. Then I will need to probably add something to the background. Or let me just do it this way. Let me click on the elements. I want blob there. Blob. Then I search for blob. Then I pick this. Let me fix it here. Then I rotate it. Then let me look for another one. Let me pick this. Okay, I want it here. Let me rotate it a little bit. Okay, then let me choose another one. Let me click on graphics to have more of it. Then let me pick this. Let me rotate it. Okay, let me see if I can get another one. Let me pick this. Then I will rotate it and bring it here. Then let me see to what I can do to the background. Let me click on the background. Let me go for elements. Then I type in shape. Okay, I search for it. Then I pick this. This is it. Then I change the color to this. Then I bring it here. I will need to rotate this. Let me rotate it and bring it here. Then then I go to position. I go to position. Then to back. Okay, I want it to back. This is it. I'm okay with it. Then I want the transparency. I want it, this way. Then I bring it here. I bring it here as well. Let me still, reduce the transparency a little bit. Okay, I'm okay with it this way. Then the next thing, let me change this color. Let me see what I can do to it. Let me change it to black. Then the other color, this, let me change it to white. Okay, then this, let me change it to blue. Let me change it to blue. Then this pink, I go to the effects. Then I go to effects here, dual tone. Then I can now pick any of my choice here. Then I'm okay with it. I'm okay with the cover this way. I'm okay with the front page, as in the cover. Then I go to the second page. Then we're having one here. First of all, I will need to change the font type. Let me fix it for leaks pattern. I fix it for leaks pattern. Then the ball, I will need to change it. Let me change the elements. Then I click on elements. I want cat here. Then I will need to say drawing cat. Then I search for it. Then I go to the graphics. Okay, this is it. Then I will need to choose any of the one I prefer. Let me choose this. Okay, I will need to delete the bar. Let me make it bigger a little bit. Then I will fix it here. The other thing, this one, I want to customize it to make it looks like my own. Then I'll fix it for middle. Then the font size, let me fix it for 180 or 181. I'm okay with it. Meaning that the keys are going to color this. Then I move to 2. I change the font to leaks pattern. I delete this. I will need to change the font size. 182. Okay, I want a carrot here. Then I click on elements. Then I can now type in drawing carrot. Okay, I search for it. I click on graphics. Then I pick this. Then I have it here. I delete this. I can have it here. Let me have it here. Then I duplicate. I have it here as well, making 2 carrots. Then I move to the 3rd page. Then these 3, I will need to change the font to Lakes pattern. Then the font size, I change it as well to 181. Then I will bring it here. Then another thing, I don't want this here. Let me click on element, drawing ball, or you type in ball only. Then you search for it. Click on graphics. Then we have different balls here. Let me click on this. Then I delete this. Then I have this here. I delete this. Then I make duplicate of this. Then I duplicate another one. Then I fix it here, making 3 balls. But let me increase it a little bit. I've increased this a little bit. Then I will need to bring it here. Then I duplicate. I bring it here, making 3. Therefore, I'm going to do the same thing to all the pages up to 10 in order not to waste much of our time. So this is how to go about it. This is how to go about this. Okay, I'm okay with it. Here is our 7. We're having 7 purples. They're the same thing, we're having 8 mangoes here. The same thing with this, 9 lions. Then the last one, we're having 10 spoons. This is how to go about this very particular design by using our Canva to design our math activities for the kids just with our smartphone. If you have found this very particular video useful, consider subscribing to my channel. Give it a thumbs up. Share the video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.